You get to hit somebody.
And not get in trouble for it.
You get to hit somebody.
And not get in trouble for it.
You get to hit somebody.
And not get in trouble for it.
You get to hit somebody.
And not get in trouble for it.
You go up.
Get to the money, baby. Get to the money.
Go.
Oh, that shit went down.
Right. E.
Nice lead. Hey, nice lead. Bro, come on, Braylon. Knock that out.
That's you. There you go. Not that side. Not that side.
Hey, Matt.
That's long. Come on.
Open lane. Go, be ready. Offense, be ready.
Oh, that's the run. Oh, he didn't want it? Yeah, let him know when they're on D.
Everywhere they go, you know one way. Let's go,
You have to get this one by a quarterback. There go Noah. Noah right there. Noah takes a second for defense. Junior, all over.
Hey, y'all all stay behind him, bro. Oh, he go. He go.
Fuck that little boy up, man. Ooh. What that boy?
You missed it all. Off the field.
Hell no, no. That's it, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
What about the horse collar, rep? Oh, horse collar, rep.
Shit, why don't you hurt? He hurt. Hey, boy. Y'all back up. Back up.
Go get it. Got him, Coach. Got him.
Ooh. Ooh. He went through the fast. That's how. Oh, you got the phone.
Let's go.
Unless I have somebody like you recording. I see why he went through there. He got the live gameplay.
Somebody paid me to do this game.
Oh, that makes sense. So you're a fan of this team, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
DEA the one who hired me.
Okay.
They hired you to do all they can do this one.
Huh?
They basically trying to see how they run their plays and stuff, right?
Maybe.
That's a dime.
Dang, you're not worth that thing. Good.
I don't even know how to file it.
Yeah. Like this is good. Like this, what you do.
Yeah.
I never thought of this, by the way.
Hey, boy, he be targeting, boy.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you.
horse collar.
So you seen that watching this? That looked like a horse collar.
Nah, they didn't pass them.
For some reason. Touchdown. To the crib. Oh!
Get through that one. Uh-oh. Pick. Nope. Bro, he didn't even touch him, man. He barely touched him. Bro, he didn't. Come on, man. Come on, man. We playing two-hand touch, man.
When we're on offense, get 52 in here. Well, you can't help but get 52 when he comes out because he's really playing center. Back to the hole.
Damn, they weren't gonna throw the motherfucker. Hey, George. There you go. Good shot, Jeremy.
Better throw that bitch
Yeah, you better throw it away. Good job, Brian. That boy out there running for his life. That boy there running for his life. It's you, baby. Back up, baby. Hold him again. Good shot, John. Hit him. Better go out of bounds. No game. Hey, look, they crying for a penalty.